Hello guys, today in this video I am going to show you how to read the mail messages from your email Gmail account and extract every data of this Gmail account. So by using UIPath robot you can achieve this thing, and it is quite simpler. So I'm going to do the processes, so keep watching me. At first I am going to create from the new project, so I am going to create new project. My project name is read email messages, and in description I am writing just read email messages, and I am going to create it. It's taking too much time, so at first you need the dependencies packages like system.mail.activities. You need this. If you haven't installed it, the dependency package, then just go to manage packages, and in here all packages, just type it system.mail system.mail.packages not system, it is UIPath.mail.packages officials mail, this one UIPath.mail.activities, mail.activities, and it will also this UIPath.mail.activities. Just install it. Actually I have already installed it, so I am not doing this. Just install it from then here, and then you can use the mail activities. So the next thing I am going to do is from this activities panel I am going to create flowchart. This is the flowchart, and in this flowchart I am going to, at first the less secure password is not working currently, so you need to generate the app password for your Gmail account so that you can run it. I'm going to do get password. If you need the how to generate the app password from Gmail, then maybe I will create another video for that. So in this video I am assuming that you are already generated your Gmail password from app generation, from generate app password. Less secure password is not working, so get password. I'm just creating my variable here. I'm writing password app generated password. Okay, I'm just creating this variable, and I have my app generated password in here, so I'll just copy it. I will paste it in here. So this now the third sequence, I have stored my password in this result. So after that, actually this is the variable created in here. After that I'm going to get IMAP. If you have installed the package, then only this IMAP mail message will show, otherwise it will not show. Just install the package. So in this get IMAP messages, I'm just going to connect it here, and in this IMAP messages, this is inbox folder. So our port is 993. Our server is imap.gmail.com. Client and name not required, so email ID, so I am just hard coding, or you can, I'm just hard coding for the moment, but you can use it in software. So this is my email id and password I have stored it in app generated password. So password is this. So from here you have to just, if you want, after reading the email, if you want to put as mark as read, then you can check it, but actually I don't want to do that, so I just leave it. In here I am going to read only 100 messages, and here top 30, not I'm not going to read top 30, but I'm going for top 10. So this is the okay. And the output, the messages which you have retrieved from the email will be saved in this output messages. So I am just creating one variable, uh, output mail. So you can see that this output mail have been created in the variables, and output mail is the list of the mail messages. So if you just use control K and use the variable, it will automatically assign the variable types. You don't have to need to worry. So after that I'm using for each statement to, as it is the list of the messages, mail messages, so I'm using for each loop, and in for each loop I'm just using this control, and I'm just connecting it here. After this list of items, this is my output mail, and system that, okay, it automatically knows that system that mail that output messages. So if you want to detect the index, means at which point the loop is running, so if you want the index of the current thing, then you can just denote here something like control K and I, and it will just show you the index of the current element, but I don't need it, so I am not using it. So after that I'm just in this thing I just printing how it's actually works. So I'm using message box. So at first message box will show us let's say item dot okay, sender who is sending the email, plus plus item dot subject, what is the subject of email, plus item dot body, it is the body part of the email, maybe body dot to string. Okay, that's fine. Item dot sender dot to string. Okay, subject is in string, so no need to change it. So this is the video, so let's run it, and you will see it will just get my email and retrieve all the mail messages that is of top 10, and it will just show you, how it's let's run it. So debug has started, it is reading the email from my mail messages. So it is the sent by the Google this account, and it's header is security alert. Okay, no problem. The second one is security alert. So it's from Google security alert, and it's also from security alert. So after this it is from LinkedIn, new jobs similar to need to RPA developer remote, it is the header. Okay, this is the messages from the Twitter, this is the messages from the LinkedIn, this is the messages from Twitter, it's from the Twitter, it's from linked list. So in this way you can just retrieve all the mail without opening your Gmail, and day to day if you have to check repetitive tasks day to day, then you just can use this RPA UiPath RPA bot, which will help you to read the email messages from your email without opening your email. So it will save you a lot of time. So this is my first this is the tutorial. After this maybe I will create other tutorials, so keep watching. Thank you.